celebrate life. A very warm good morning to everyone. I hope you all are safe at your places. Today I am Aparna Joshi of grade 4th B along with my classmate is going to conduct today's morning assembly. The theme of the assembly is sparkling lights and beams in children's eyes. Now I want to call Divyam Tiwari. Divyam Tiwari is studying class 4th B. No day can be started without offering the God. Please join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. Praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Love Him in the morning, love Him in the noontime, love Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him when the sun goes down. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Divanjali Karki. I study in grade 4B. Please take our pledge position. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being of prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Vision of the school is the mission of the school. So I am Tia Sati of grade 4B is here with the vision of the school to inculcate moral and ethical values among students apart from academic and excellence and all around qualitative development and practical knowledge. Deep-rooted value system by providing modern and contemporary education to serve the large cause of the society and the nation. Thank you.
One positive thought can be bring positive for the whole day. So, thought of the day is knowing is not enough, we must apply. Wishing is not enough, we must do. From this thought, I Shashwat Shukla, grade 4th B, wants to spread this message that we all should celebrate green and eco-friendly Diwali as it helps in maintaining pollution-free environment, which is the foremost need of this pandemic period. I request you to take a initiative from your side and gradually the world will start following you. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jay Tadagi. I study in class 4th B. My two new words are, my first word is nurture. It mindle is to look after, protect somebody or something. My second word is commemorate. Its meaning is to excite, in order and remember a special event. Thank you.
Morning to one and all present over here today. Diksha Karti of grade 4B is here to deliver a short speech on topic Deepavali. So here I begins. Friends, do you know Diwali is also known as Deepavali. This festival is celebrated all around the country, India. This festival is honor of Lord Ramchandra. This festival is commented of Lord Ram returns to Ayodhya along with his wife Sita, brother Lakshman and devotees Hanuman after defeating devil king Ravan. This festival is of lightning and sweets. In this festival, people worship goddess Lakshmi and god Ganesha for their healthy love. Now it's an end, so I want to wish you all a happy Diwali and a safe Diwali.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली, मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी.
Good morning everyone. I, Dhananjay Joshi of grade 4th B is here to deliver a short speech on topic Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad city of Uttar Pradesh. He was the first Prime Minister Minister of India. Because of his affection towards children, he was named as Chacha Nehru. Because of Chacha Nehru's immense love for children, 14th November, his birth anniversary, was declared as Children's Day. The main purpose of this celebration was to make all the citizens of India aware of giving rights to children to get the education. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Now I request our class teacher Ms. Aparna Pandey to speak some more lines on today's theme. Thank you.
Look at the bright side of life and forget all the agony surrounding it. A very warm good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, do you know what is the theme of today's assembly is? Yes, you all are right. The theme of today's assembly is sparkling lights and dreams in children's eyes. I know that many of you are thinking that how we can relate sparkling lights with dreams in children's eyes. So students, I am here to explain you the same. Today is a very special and auspicious day because we are celebrating two things together. First is Diwali, the day of victory of good over evil. The day of celebrating happiness of returning Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years. And second, we are celebrating Children's Day, the day which we celebrate to create awareness in society towards the support which can be given to fulfill the dreams of children. The day which reminds us our duties for doing work in child welfare, for their right to education, for fight against child labor. Every year we celebrate this day with full enthusiasm and happiness. But due to this pandemic time, this year we are unable to do the same. So on this special day, I just want to say that, dear students, see dreams. See dreams because the future belongs to those who believe in beauty of their dreams. To accomplish great things in life, first you have to see dreams and then start doing actions to turn your dream into reality. And every single thought and every small step will take you towards your destination, and the day will come when your dream will turn into reality. Always keep positive attitude and work for the betterment of the society and nation. Happy Diwali, Happy Children's Day. Thank you. So, there is completion of every celebration, but we rely on faith that there is never an end, but always a beginning, because show must go on. So at last, I would like to request our Honorable Director Sir to address us.
Dear parents and honorable members of the group and my dear children, wish you all a very happy Diwali. As you can see the greenery behind, your school, which is an eco-friendly green school where every child has an individual tree to take care. So you all must be remembering the days when we used to celebrate Green Diwali in very pomp and show, in a very gala manner where all parents were invited. Unfortunately, this time due to Corona, we cannot have such event again. But yes, we have the spirit of Green Diwali in us, and for that, I want you, like last year's, where you were creating an awareness campaign in the similar manner at home. Don't go out, but have an awareness campaign with your family, telling them the importance of not burning firecrackers, using earthen diyas, and how you can make an effective green Diwali at home, and how you can celebrate with your family, giving time to your grandparents, parents, all the respected elders at home, and make this Diwali a fruitful one. This Diwali, we should expect that we should not do any kind of pollution, and as much as awareness we can do in our family at home with our father, mother. You can create a video, you can share it to your teachers, and let us make this Diwali a digital green Diwali this time. Spend time at home, and yes, most importantly, stay fit, stay safe, take care of your health. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A warm and cheerless morning to our Honorable Director, sir, respected parents, qualified teachers, and all my dear students. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Aparna Pandey, on behalf of TPS Haldwani Lamachor, gives a heartfelt vote of thanks. A special thanks to our respected director, sir, who inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power with deep sense of appreciation. Thank you, parents and kids. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers. Without your support, the children were not able to excel in this pandemic. Thank you very much. At last, a very hearty vote of thanks to all. Now, I would like to call Rakshit Rawat for National Anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे